In this video, I will show you how to find Wi-Fi password. There are two methods. The first one, go to Control Panel, click on it, click on Network and Internet, go to Network and Sharing Centers. Click on Network and Sharing Centers, click on Wi-Fi, click on Wireless Properties, click on Security. Then you will get Network Security Key. Click on Show Characters. This is your password. The second one, go to Wi-Fi icon. Click on Network and Sharing Centers. Click on Wi-Fi, look on Wireless Puppets. Click on Security. Click on Network Security Key, click Show Characters. This is your password.